Another single wide we're checking out today. Coming in here, dark hallway. First bedroom is right off the front door. It's small, very small. Let me see if we don't have any lights in here. So I hope you guys can see. This is really small. Does have the nice floors though. And a big old window. And if we could see in the closet, very small closet. I think this is probably for the kids' room. Actually, it's so small, I don't think you can get a bed in there. I think it would be a nice office. And we have a bathroom, guest bathroom. No light in there at all. So the bathroom tub combo, little toilet. It's nice for a guest bathroom. Then we have another bedroom. This bedroom is bigger. Not the master bedroom, but has a big window. Looks like they have enough bed for enough space for a twin size bed maybe. Kind of small. So let's go past the two bedrooms, back to the living room again. Big windows. Lots of light in here. I do like this. And some cabinet space for the kitchen. Nice color scheme they got going on. Some energy efficient appliances and plenty of cabinet space. That's pretty good. Got your dishwasher. And I think they call this a country sink with the dual sink there, window over top. This one has a microwave. It's the first one I saw that had a microwave in there, right over top of the glass top stove. Nice. Sliding glass doors for the, I guess if you want a patio out there. This is a small living room. Right off the living room is the laundry room. This is small too. Not a lot of light. I hope you guys can see. The laundry room. I'm gonna pull back and pan because I guess a dining room table would be nice right about there. And then right off of the kitchen, this is the master bedroom. Much bigger than the other bedrooms. Definitely can tell the difference. Huge windows. Big old walk-in closet. Don't know if you can see in there because it's pretty dark. No lights in this one. Well, yes, a huge walk-in closet. Let's walk and I'll show you how far it goes back. It goes back quite a ways. A lot of stuff in there. And then next to the closet is the master bathroom. Okay, let's check out this bathroom. Huge tub. You can set your shampoo and stuff right over there. I do like that tub. Then you got some shelves for your shampoos and your towels, all that stuff. And your vanity. I do like the dual vanity there. Got your dual sinks and your shelves, your cabinets. It's a lot of space there. Beside there is your toilet. Looks like a standard size. I do like the shower. I love it when they separate the tub and the shower. So this one, they have the door sitting there. And check this out. It's really nice. You can sit down in there. It's like you have like a leg problem or disability. That's pretty cool. So let me know how you like this mobile home. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Again, nice size. Well, actually to me it's a small dining area, but it's still nice. Another look at your kitchen. And kitchen has a nice size window. Energy smart appliances, keeps your bill down. Also has an ice maker. That's pretty nice. So tell me what you think about this mobile home. Single wide. Not too big, not too small. Pretty cool. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's free and I really need your support. So let me know how you like the video. Put a comment in the description and you'll see me in the next one.